dia one body out to judge a banesa ECOWAS your credibility no ya na etotonase ene nuanom na wie yaboa no se dumie no premoto breka se boy different Sompa television so enye twa no ho efiri Sompa TV a enam Sompa FM Kumase 93.1 Sompa 90.7 Enkuransa bono itimantemu ena Sompa 98.9 bono ahenkro sunyaye ene topetema hafo ene avori amamu nyina wonu munya esomfa so Facebook no okowaye ho sana sompaonline.com ensemi nyina egu ho YouTube no Sompa TV ewia yira sante ebo Benedict ena sansenum kase bodemu wo mododo ebro wotwe ho nwi wo nyina ka ho ahoodemu ena nsemi yadeba DJ Papa Toast systematic press ne sofo tachi wo mo ena MCR ho wo ho toto niema ama yako TV no so japia pamdada ne media fe yanyebre na ensem no sabre ya 21st clinic ene 5G energy drink miso fruit drink no maso yemu yemfa ne nyina emmawo ye chase e de afiri Ghana Abattoir Commission wonu maboboa no na wonu de aba betudwa e kire se enche bia eba eniema hodo akade ahodo a yebehia wai mu ene se de esenkrata no wo mu si fa no hyehyɛ da ho nyina eba na no wo mu ahyɛda poten sada no eye bobo so menum ho na wo mu abiesira na ne de ato kyɛ se wo bibia a ofese wo fama mpani krata ne bi no oba bepre no akwanya ne da wo se wo mra emepre na sankomo no yewura Jibril Mandi ene Sompa edi nkomo ene wo kyerɛkyerɛ mi
Saka Kata, I invite political parties to IPAC on the 7th of this month at 10 a.m. Agenda no say we discuss 2024 calendar. Saka Kata no. The calendar no dey Saka because Kata no by only Kata no. I think I don't continue on the board. Because the same thing, and we had this year, January, the Kaya, if IPAC in January. Now the same agenda, I call them, and I'm going to the issue of the month and date we discussed. Then before we came to this point, at that time, our information actually said no more calendar, but the calendar was to November. Because they didn't share with us, that's why we are also going back now to discuss. So whatever we say our Bonte Electoral Commission put in outside, a young proposal, but we are yet to meet as a party to discuss is it feasible to do it and not yet feasible. For your electoral process now, September have been almost the time nomination and final of nomination. September, October, November, then to go to election. The nomination is really that is when the time the usual electoral commission open nomination. Time the electoral commission now accepts you are a candidate. Yes, if you propose a mama. It is within the times now Moody for election. Oh, in the do and any more discussions to know the Bepwa or my name in the Electoral Commission. No, the video to me. M1 to electric, M1 now, the system now running. It is good. Say, this is the time of even though it was so late, but the calendar now, the Bible because 2 months, but the most serious activities, which is May, no more come which means there was March, April, May, March when I want to then.
Yura Mandi Jibril, Penimpa Bedi Echre, Wakantre for moi. Chinia Batwa Wonom, ni Musa de Chien, Ghana Netron, Chinia from Ono, any deputy director of elections and artists and one is from Pa. Dear Hong Kong watchere easy timetable ne enhyehyɛ ahodoa ededa da ho wo mko IPAC meeting ensem epie ase no afi yento aso wo man ye fa ahodie da ya adekye ya awukuada bo de twa so sia na ye koma ache kwoto yensa akyere sampa ye wo fa ahodie na fa ahodie a ye wo no nyame de kyen ya adekye ye poema ntamu ahenkokofo dua na betodwa na eno nam so ma na no memene dai sira dom ni nyina bo anan ekọ hokoko fifa akire kọ hwehwe se de hote hunu se ground so ye enema nyina edaye toto wo mo pillars no wo ma hye nyina na emu no penimpa wo no enedi osi sadon nanim anase wo ne bambofo ekoye no DCOP yewura Emmanuel Twumasi Ankra na wo konso na nye wo no nko DCO1 face adeshe no wo ka ho migration commander ADP Thomas Hedu wɔn nyinaa kobi sana regional prison commander regional fire commander ene wɔn mo ka ho nyinaa wɔn mo nso ekobie ACFO Madam Jennifer ya nyale na wogina mpa ko eka ne den ho wɔn na ba Ghana National Fire Service na wɔyɛ regional commander ɛwɔ afa ho wɔn mo nyinaa eka ho bi ene kɔe na ɛba enkomo ne nkutahodie no sompansa ntwerɛfoɔ ene DCOP Emmanuel Tumasi Ankra ene bɔ nkomo ene wɔkyerɛ sɛ we de ahoboa de set chichirikete de go bibia ye krado ye nyame de kyenya adekye wuku enema nyina ebekoyie na atimi agyinam ne yakwa akɔbɔ nsra na enu achi wɔman yi botae de asi ani so a ye ka sɛ independence ha pride no agya atimi akwa akɔdadwa wo hɔ na no nso ye hwɛ animu sɛ yewura Lasane Watara Avori amampani ya na anu ya afkon yi wo mo na gisi wo mo na so ɛsan agyetu wo mo kurom no pani na eba special guest ewo yedwumadie no ase ne nyina papa yi amfa nhunta ene wo kyerɛkyerɛm de kyerɛ yɛn nsɛntwerɛfoɔ na nigi sam ne sɛ bra wɔn mu kokohyia hɔ no mizo free drink yi eno ana na edi ahim 5G energy drink no eno ana mpanimfoɔ de kɔe na wɔn mu de tudwa kyɛ sɛ enya duru hɔ asompa ye wo hɔ edie na Ketchup marketing agency wo hɔ a Dr. Silas Monnam yi no sɛtie bi eduru hɔ a mizo ka no ene 5G de no wɔn fa mesi sɛ de bɛyɛ na abambɔfo betumi agyina wɔn mo na so na mampani ne dɔm nso ba wɔn nso begyina wɔn mo na so na obi a ɔbɛba hɔ bie no wɔn nso begyina ne na so bie na ahoɔden papa no yɛn nsa betumi aka ne yɛbotae na yɛgyina so no ebetumi aba mu na ɛde ama wɔman ne nyinaa yɛne DCOP Emmanuel Ankra Tumasi ene di sa nkomo yi.
I came, I saw, I conquered. Today, we are on the ground. We decided to organize work, endurance work. But we have done it. Like he said, we gathered here, we went on the march, we have come back. The meaning is that we have been able to go through. It's also, we are ready for the 6th March. Commander, this region is a host, so we are ready. We are receiving all our big men all over. The 6th of March, and we must demonstrate to that. Then we are on the ground. Then we are all ever ready. Traffic management, security, it is our responsibility. It's not so. So we are doing it before, during, and after any activity that has been lined up. We are poised for it. It's not so. Commander, we came, we did what is expected of us. We still have more ahead of us. From today to the 6th of March and afterwards, we are ready for it, and that is why we are here. And this is just a precursor to what is going to happen. We are the hosts, so let us be ready, and then we will make the region a very proud one. Aho! 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 We are receiving all our big men.
DCOP Emmanuel Tumasi Ankra ena sompansa ntwerɛfoɔ ne di nkomo ena ate sɛ na ɛho nkomo no wonu kyerɛ sɛ sra dɔm no na wɔn mu nyinaa wɔ ntuti aho ya na kyerɛ sɛ yɛ wɔn mo a so bi so ka wɔn mo a ena wɔn na saa bre korɔ na nso no na no fiada yɛwura sɛ kwame champon na yɛ manta no so afoɔ ɛbɔ wura muslimi so da mu no wɔn nyinaa kɔbɔ mu somi ma wɔn bɔ mpaeɛ sɛ bɛyɛ na adekye saa ensra ye kwa akɔbɔ ni dwa kɛseɛ no ɛbɛkɔtɔ ten nti wɔn de to ala anim ewie no ɛna minister nso ɛne sompansa ntwerɛfoɔ kuro ya edi nkɔmɔ ɛna wɔ kyerɛkyerɛ sɛdeɛ wɔhwɛ sra dɔm no ɛwɔ ground so a ɛnɛma nyinaa deda na akwan mu na bambɔ bibia nso ayere kama wɔto nsa frɛ dɔm ɛkyerɛkyerɛ ne abɛnkyɛ sɛ wɔn mmra na wɔn mɛhwɛ Ghana eba se ya fa ye ho adie ne mmara ayede ye adwuma ne nhyehyɛ ya ahodo no wo mehwe bi na democracy wo mahu so mfa so
Masalachi said, "Yeah, but now let the China ministry is telling me a pretty man technical. Yes, so that the door yes, I'm saying them. Should I say? And what they do now? Now, and you can say, "Mantano issue." The boy by a assume boy passer and young papa, a company, and Arodanko Kukwaro. Sompa Roma, Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, and then Amaya Sum of my. If Sre by a clear mountain is activity, I make a sense ever has it. Said, and from Bolivia, and Yet, a consider ever can answer. We are soon a convent, and we are soon to have the Arabian. A super piano in Shra and a Pinasi echo. And Mary said Allah, but she and some and the empire are.
Dwamtani Emma Peace Council ono any Reverend Dr. Ernest Adu Jamfi and the Ababa to just say o share anti big ina eba ye no a embrahye bedwafo edoso na yanyintum said ye be yantumutu entumi nkoso e wo Ghana mam ha no sa bre panipa ya ono Peace Council e wo dan no okasafa ho kakra.
Said yes or no to anything. We are just there. As I said, we have set up a council with a certain mandate. Ours to ensure that conflict situations don't erupt. Position is what the Christian Council has. Immediately after the last election.
Panipa wano ena Peace Council wadano Dr. Ernest Adu ena sabri yekuti no na yeba ebiase afane nyina na oba ekowase eno Africa hano bibima mu anka bomuko ena mechire sabre no kuku ekokokokso na omanfo bi esode editietia wo mu aban no ena ekoye se wona sabre wo mu ayekuku ni nyina no komu edi afutuo ekase pa ede emma wo mu na sabre no ekuo bi anase nkronkura hodo bi ana amamiensa bi eyi wo ho firi mu a sabre ya kan na eho ehia se ombetimi asaba beka ho na sabre ya kase pa de ambassador no ene perpetual dufo ekasa kakra wona wai wadwene se wo firi mu no na empowama ECOWAS animonyam eba fom no otufo ekakra.
Despite the challenges, ECOWAS relevance cannot be overstated. It must be noted that Ghana's interest remains aligned with the Commission of ECOWAS. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration will continue to collaborate with ECOWAS member states to address these ongoing challenges, and we are convinced that our collective efforts will lead us to prevail. Challenges persist. The Sahel region has experienced a surge in military coups between 2021 and 2023. In the recent withdrawal of Niger, Mali, and Burkina Faso from ECOWAS, the subsequent establishment of the Alliance for Sahel States, as well as the postponement of Senegal's presidential elections, have challenged
Ambassador Perpetual Dufo ena yekoti no na oba wo man Ghana mu ha dia sebia ku sebia nyado se ye fa Koran na ye Mozambique fo dia na Bible so ye Christopher dia no sabre Ghana se kedi nyina eto nchen e wo political from ni nyina ene se wo man bia wo bia da wo beso Koran ana se Bible mu na wo de besuai se wo behwe na Ghana kankro ena wo hwe na nyoma keka ko nanim no sabre no omunya wo mafuru ena wo didigusuo na wo momni se tam dwumadi a wo mamadi se wo ye mrahye bedwani na wokopa yedie ni puntuo e de abra wo krofo no saa no de wo hwe o abrosai ena wo musisiri kika akase eno mu ena sabre se wo de wani ekirem e wo brekumu a empatase apostolic church wo mafom wo ho no ene asori mai ekasa kakra se ka ho behia se kosua ena sabre mrahye bedwafo ko mo kosai na o maso afram padia ka omufa kosua sabia kusabia nyado na ne omde abo omhu dua so mba wo man omunwie sika bia emfirim wa so ndem ho no asoma no sei eno kan
na ede be man because wo hwe mpatase akwan a ye nam so a ye ban okọ parliament da wo se ye wie what ase but ye nwie kwan so nyina ye den atutu na ntisa wo ye MP ana DC ana MC ana president na okwaje bosia ana okwaje sika obabi safa bay project na project na wanye na se traditionalist na ye de hono bam na traditionalist for ne baba ye omadwuma yi a dua ne chewa eno anya nyame na aye den amana chew wonna kura wanni ana amadua na ya dey atew no enti yama bible no enwo ho na yama Qur'ans no nya dey enwo ho na traditional for no so nya dey adwuma nya dey emra enya kobasa Ghana mpuntunyuma nyina ba dey ebekoso
wa parliament no se mampanyi di sikama MPs for no se yenkoya ade a enam bible na yehwe na Korea na yekranti no kreka bia ni osisi se oje a bible no nya da ben nyankopon bebu naten nti one de sika fa ko ha na wadi fa ko ye mpatase kwan na wadi fa ko ye enche kwan na wadi nti misusu se senka ye de kosua no snap na ya frant onyama asuokura na ya bodu aka ho a nipa ne so sika ni mu a obekura mu ye hu se duabo wo mu nti faade ekoma menua owuradu ka bia ni mu osisi se oje a bible no nya da ben nyankopon bebu naten nti one de sika fa ko ha na wadi fa ko ye mpatase kwan na wadi fa ko ye enche kwan na wadi nti misusu se senka ye de kosua no snap na ya frant onyama asuokura na ya bodu aka ho a nipa ne so sika ni mu a obekura mu ye hu se duabo wo mu
Asoma na yekotie wo no se yenhwe se de be ya ya di kosua ehwe omsem no omdi swai paade a ene obi ani ho obefai abai sika ba kokura yeto akase ne so emfama mo omafo ne be ya adwene se nansen no dum so no sa bawu se afe na ebebou ana se ewo na yenhu eno ti no sabere no mafo kan wo mo kan se ewuhuro na eku wo mo ni nyina ne se yankania no entumi enyina so eno so mpanifo entumi enyinka ye emonka ye se kania no bedum ne ne ana se wo kyena wode wani ekirem ewo brekum afam ho a nananom atrankonwa wo mato mo tasukoko ni nyina ne se wo mo se sabere no netko omo ka kire wo mo se enkania no so mo bedum no a wo mo mo amane na wo mo amane a o manfo dodo no a ena omde kania di djuma ss wo munwoma eno ti sabre wo sabe ma kire ono ena ye ohin poporo okasa eche netcofo no
ti ase no momomodia na monye na basa no obia beto no ana so obia behwe yi se ba de sin so na mutumi boy amane sa de we ba nti e besi sin so se na ba e bo ho ba na mo wo na putupuru na yakokoto ma ya mi enum na de abufu aba nti ade bia mesremo omomode ase mu yi be yi asochire no bi ya bo no ho bai na fe ne ese mu yi bia nso at this moment me anye kura
eni a yekotie ye ye wo sabe ma wo kire yeboa wono ena ye brekum hene na sabre no wodi wani akirem wo Northern Electricity Distribution netco panipa wono ena da no ewo bromantamu Eugene Ado ono so kire mu ese
sometimes no you hu say nyama bi a mo ye wo field no so no affected power system bo nkutwadia na ato kanya ne so obi so a say you for person mo betwa no bai kakra omo mpens mai omo ntwa nyina eka ho ntina kanya na ne stable nti me advise mo say omo mwai na yen so be these issues omo from dia no omo yen say yen ya from dia na together yen so be problem
no man tamu panipa wono ena Northern Electricity Distribution Company netco wodano Mr. Eugene Ado ena yekotie no na adehia wono so ewo brekum ho no so omo so kasa sei
sre nananom atankonya omo wo brekum nkonya saase so se yesre omo bebri omo fa viarefo no mpanyufo no na omo ne omo nya de be enkasa man fi se de yekoso no ani enyan na se anigire se nananom bambia egire se omo ne omo kasa omo betimi aye de ben aboayen amaye no ma de yekoso no etimi aye de agya amaye
nkai if you say seven can I am say problem bi na wo ho no ma o ma ye hu because what you go for djumago bi a tell ni na me ye djuma na what you go for djumago na kan ya na bedum unexpectedly o mo nka re nkyerɛw na adum e ba sa emwa maduma nkoso
Asia wo brekum ena omo kano se dum so no eduru ba bia omo nyi asutre mo nkaye se de ba ya obi na de na yie bia obetumi de ato yie na mpo switch ahodo nyina obedundum se de be ya so omudum kanea no a emma nyoma entumi ensei ye to akase ne so na ye de amamo ye de ani ekirem ewo edwoso so brantam eto ye animu oyo ne de ba ye no sabere no ase japade no pi amadan so apepa ene odi wani ekirem ewo edwoso a sabere no suku bia wo ho dinosaur pa sabre no adwuso municipal chief executive officer Samuel Oduro Frempong na asem o ka nyina ne se obehwe se obeye nsiesie na empo want to school no anan koda no kotena fiem e ma desua ho enkokko kire wo mu sabre no MC Samuel Oduro e kasafa ho.
The head of the headmistress, we met the entire student population. We have comforted them. We've told them that we are with them. We have told them to support us to make sure that we get them a place to lodge their head. Whilst our plans are far advanced, once you are done with the estimates, we'll be able to get this burden back.
Chief Executive Officer Emma Ejoso Municipal, Enna Yakotie no. Would when HM I was just so education director Kwabra Wushu, and also said your dinosaur siapa, and Oyona Akofa Bano, and also Ekasafa say, and shut down for help Pibia Emba, or perhaps so being CC said the addition between me akoso.
Breaking off Tuesday, but there are a lot of things that they have to do. We have to the head of the institution meet members of staff, and then we discuss on these issues and how best they are coming out with a strategy, so that when we are even to end the semester with examination, they will end the semester in a grand style, so that they won't go and come back and come and do what they are supposed to do this semester, next semester.
Yadi chrem ewo Joshua panipa wono na nwoma sua woda no ewo ho Kwabra Wushu ene na yekotie ye no enkane ana kwoto emaye no na nananom edi asem na ne asem bafia ye behwe ase ye batoto na bibia akoso toten kama na mumpo omatumi atia anuti se ye hwe kwoto a nananom animdie no omunyansa bi ena ya poni bi na ne kwoto ahodo ye de eyeye na sabre maame a wono na sabre edia wodano her lordship Justice Angelina Mensah Home ono na sabre wo ka se empempi no ensem wa ya na ebeba ya fie ana se ensem a ya na amafo de beba kwoto no ye behwe se yenya ka ye betumi asi konwa ne asiesie ya de na empokura no se eba wo mo aka che omubo omaye omo ho afam de bia na omatumi asiesie kama na nyoma akoso toten na wo hwe afrasa ensem wa eba wo aka che edia ho no na enya asem kura nyame adum omoye omadwene atumi siesie ema nyoma ekoso totia sabre no obehye omafo nkran se asemba na so omde ba omaskachi a omunyom gidie se de beya asiesie ene atatene ebetumi akoso. Justice Angelina Mensah no disem
only for litigation, as somebody will say, amounts to into the AC court today. We are also saying that it's because of APR, so we have a multi-dog. We urge you to choose the other dog, which is ADR. As for disputes, you cannot avoid them. Being in a human society, the disputes are about to happen. But when you are caught up in the disputes, we will ask you to choose ADR. Choose the ADR door instead of the litigation door. Litigation will cost you at the end of the day, except where settlement is precluded by law. It is my hope that we will have a very high settlement rate during the mass mediation exercise scheduled for 18th to 22nd March 2024. And I'll end my address with the words of a renowned mediation practitioner, Joseph Grindbaum. And he says, an ounce of mediation is worth a pound of arbitration and a pound of litigation.
Lordship Justice Angelina Mensah ena yekotie no na panipa wono kwankyerefo edia wono ensem okan se ka court no eba bas house or obema no nsaso kakra said ye beya ka asem bi kura kokoto a kan ne bosome ba ko pepepe na ka tumi edi awie Alex Nate asem wono so kan ye no.
The general pace of the determination of cases we file in our various courts across the country, and I've always yearned to confront the situation. The situation is attributable to a number of factors: inadequate number of courts and judges and magistrates across the country, and the fact that most of our courts are not automated, and judges and magistrates have to record proceedings in longhand. We note with admiration that court automation project is being pursued rigorously by the Chief Justice despite the limited financial resources available. We therefore urge the government, notwithstanding its commitment to facilitate the work of the judiciary and the judicial service, to respectfully make more funds available to the judiciary in terms of release of budgetary allocations and on time. It is in view of this that the judicial service is in pursuance of the constitutional provision that justice should be made accessible to the citizenry, has decided to involve the citizenry in the delivery of justice in appropriate cases. The judicial service by the Chief Justice has therefore adopted the court-connected ADR system, which uses third-party neutrals, mediators, in resolving cases referred to the ADR by magistrates and judges.
High Court Supervisor ono ene Justice Kofi Akrowia ena yekotie no na Alex Nate wono ena yapani kwankyerefo edia selem di ka kan ye no abasa so no kabosome ba kopɛ enka courtro enhwe na ka asem bia da ka ho bia no kuntumi emfamu a na for backcourt no mo cha Chief Justice na nye ho jaja ɔte asɛm no so kra asɛm na kyɛ no kra ye ne ya nanso judges edimra ena ye adwuma emra na kyekyere wo mo nsa Ghana for mra ya sha ma wo mo no mo de ye adwuma eti o mo tumi ndane ani na sɛde manso twen a ye twen court da mo tie no wo ye dan asɛm no e beche enti the Chief Justice ene na pamfo aye ne sɛ eye dan edi oginamu sɛ wasɛm no enche ADR alternative dispute resolution no a yedika kyerɛ mu dada no de eye ne sɛ wo de wasɛm kɔ hɔ no mu a asɛm no ɛso sɛsɛe kura no a enche ɛhyehyɛ ayɛ ne sɛ hwiebe bosome ɛwɔ sɛ wasɛm no wo de kɔ ADR yetimi twa sɛ ntwa na afanu na sɛbe mokoko ɛden obo nso a manso twen ya ne desen nyamesom enti na sɛm no kura yɛpɛ sɛ etwa ntɛm a ɔso wɔmpere enti saa de a ADR no ɛmansɛm no content the Chief Justice says wo kokota opa na wo ma wasɛm ɛkyɛ mo a mo mpɛ sɛ mo asɛm ɛkyɛ wɔ court na mo nsɛm no nso ɛkɔ ADR yeye no yɛ advice sɛ judge bia kanfo ADR kyerɛ wa som sabre no ADR panipa ono ena sabri wodano na asema wo kan se enka basa house no enka bosome ba akopepepɛ ka court fa na tentene na etimi enkoso na Ghana fo ho kyerɛ wo mo court nyina no eka enko kama yetoa kase ne so na ya de amamo panipa movement for change odano eye alankwadwo kyerɛ maten na enkane no no ne MPP amanyoku na hwibom pa obi anhu de ekoso bayira humam ama bayira mo akese a papa ese wate ne ho na probom wo mfifi mantem ene o ka kyerɛ mo se adaworo ma so mo to aba de ma no na obeye mampani pa de a ene mfifi mantem no ho be kra behwe obesiesi ho pa de ama wo mo na nyampuntudwuma ahodo no waye bi de ama wo mo na probom no wo kyikyiri potem ho kakra ala kwadwo kyerɛ mate o mo ohia wo mo ene nsɛmtwerɛfo nyina da ensɛm a wo ka kyerɛ mo se wo mo to aba de ma no nyam ne mu gidi pa de a de obeye no yinkotie bi
What Obama MPP na NDC in fee Gasan and I'm and so says I'm Central Region. Baby, I would no other one cut what I said or there was the same Saturday made them a call was at the power of you. Central Region, the Cape Coast used to be the capital of the Cape Coast. Nanka by now. So you can the top 3 cities are or then Cape Coast or no mommy in there. Baby, I would na say to my mama na say nyamisu eshodo number president Central Region and Cape Coast in particular will become a different place. Don't make a domain there. Mayor Minister Michelle Bibi Asawo Ashanti Region. Ashanti Region is going to become the new industrial city of Ghana. And if you vote for me to become president, Central Region will become the new financial services center, international services center for West Africa. Says the next big city Cape Coast. Now
Onimonyamfo alankwadwo kyerɛ mate na probom wo mfifi mantem ene ose so munyane mu gidie na wo moto aba edemom obesesa wo mo hyebre na wona wodi nachi enso ene yensam twoni erekanan ebobɔ nkomo yatwe bi gu mpawa so
ya pese business so munya tinafo ne yede alanka hyeba ne yesesem numu
after 32 years yes many NDC and people want say be say ho de even enfoso na yenya abahwa the last 10 years NDC nyanko IMF and people say nyanko IMF no che there Henderson kuti gino wa won't to unsolved problem no MPP so gino wa won't to unsolved problem no nti obe here there as a nation no e perform be the national team of our economic management team and no che there you have a best no fi NDC you have the best from MPP no you have the best from CPP and other political parties no ya even young businessmen and women are wabobra or experience or che there say mention so butu mo aboa even our academia young professors no and doctors see ukusuazi ya opado woboa momentum
32 years of party politics is not a joke. In Cape Coast, MPP, NDC have done nothing. I mean, me a politician. It me kana anjan to my name in Okasa Ebaja too. Am I able to we need a leader, independent candidate. Independent candidate means he can be impeached easily because all the ministers were outside. No Afebisu inside. It's only when you are good, which means a parliament independent candidate president and also one year it will be to impeach it easy.
Echitafo Emma movement of change ala kwadwo kire maten omutudi na chie na ne ukonfifi mantemu a omunya ne mugidie to abade ma no de obaba betumi aye no ena ne manfo eka no ene MPP NDC they've done nothing aja so omunya hwe eno ti no movement for change all the way ala kwadwo kire maten omuto abade ma no a fifi mantemu obesesa ho kama ya to akas ye no so na ye de amamo coalition of unemployed allied health professionals na say omo ewofie sabre no enwanam ene sikasam ene adwumasam eho ye dene ama wo mo pa eno nti wo ka kira ban say wompa bibi emfa enye wo mo se de be ya sabia ku sabia nya ado omo so ebetu anya adwuma ye na empo kura no omanya sika na omode ahwe omabusua na pani pa wo no ene kasa ema wo mo public relation officer ema coalition fuyi no sabre oginampa enhoma so a ye no ebetwetwe nkomo yewura otemenka memoa
Eja, good afternoon.
Samuel Smith bibi aboko de.
Eja bache bibi aboko.
Sabre no omanfo so obetete su kokko mani abre pa na emu nchiremu ne se papa.
Eja me pa kwanya su adawase ne watie ofu na me cha watie ofu na. We ya tem na ne say ye use 5 years ni na ya tena fie sa de bia ye tia ye renew your pin ye call Ministry of Health ye call Allied Health for so okuleku de bia some mo ka chia ne say ye nko na ye clearance but de bia sa na ma ka chia nza ti ye pese ya tem eba ekwa etwe nti na de ya sa batu mani ma for so free ma na say ye nka say ti ja de wo hono no
eti sabre no dia potin no maka kire mo
ejade bia ye ko ha ye na ye under Allied Health so na ye ko ha Allied Health ka kire nze ye ntwen na Ministry of Health ase o mede o me postien de bia since 2019 2020 2021 sa besi 2024 me no ka say just no maka kire nza last week ye president pass anko the same repetition as a debia some of one of train and the person asked them a bond since I have too many months my area
says ya mododo ya say
yeah about 8,000 yeah I like how to jump at Charming Castle yeah I like how to know association make it can yeah one members different members over 18 and the last year make it can your mental health medical laboratory scientists, optometrists, disease control, nutritionists, public health, radiography, oral health, environmental health. As I'm catching make cancer, your doors of your doors, 8,000 crowd, a doors, your doors of and the woman say, every year beyond so, you actually them say personal after the 5 years of maternity, every year beyond so you renew your pin. Over 200 cities every year, you renew a pin because when we renew a pin, because you push still. And German maternity income, I put my chair bet 1,000 and I'm Allied Health. They also renew every year, they also renew pin. But you see, they all on a major.
Eti ekoko ban say the mu ye nyiro mo afiri mu a mo next line of action ne say
eja sisi so the into spoke for time in this am no ka say there Many million alpha in some maybe I can't say when say Benjamin Baby. And means already soon can't and I be a say and you be a bayamo, but the cost were a putty actions no. And the end, the ambassador and Kaja.
Yes, dear Namoka Chabino.
Yes, you're no power, yes, you're the and I say, your failures of the school, the actual exams, the actual essential exams, in a pin. Every new day, your tennis, and my external on posting because Ghana hospitals was the who course it to be a woman here labs, laboratory scientists, Communia, public health, this control from carbon, Communia, but still you will feel. And our constitution, the Allied Health Constitution, will say after every year, the ISC posting. But what I say, and the athletic almost 5 years in posting. Any at the just on posting, and any at the SRDR, the best in the Bamana, the Bay, a Bay as a for you.
It was 8,000, you know. Now, just if you do say, and no man for a palace, I be Gusua Munya Jumania, and I am postumo.
From 2019 after 20, 5 years me. I must still be close to almost this year. You better some account. This year, by August, September, you better some account game.
Said yeah, more better so.
So, plan after from 2019 about this by this time. Never had the issue himself covered by the commercial posting because COVID by and I say hospital will be a crime. Comedy power account. Ya didn't the same thing on Gusuka Chunja.
Said your more munum soon trail, Pewate.
Yeah, no ma. Ya no ma, ja.
One of Mamma Mofuase.
Manu Mamino Catholic Manu because you see, I know Munsula, yeah.
Yeah, so, my Ghana. Penny, I bet that's here, what?
A giant said that the pass said, yes, Madame pass me at the mask.
Mubenyaka Triapa, Mamusuru. Why?
Amen. All right, yeah, that's.
Kasama for a coalition of unemployed allied health professionals, Samuel Smith, and Yanano Equatree and Comono, a Asemo Magano, and Funumni, nurse for impostu womo, a Asem Papa. Yantuaka Siena so na young famamon, Obian say, Wama Ganam Hano, Unyasika, a bangier. And now the cocoa said, "Beya, I crofoni won't take no more mamma mefa. And yes, you bottom grand womuyi, that just a who be here, say, we Pesica Crabiabi, na would the aqua cocoa. Na Sika Crabiano, I would whoopinua and all Ghana member, Ubia or Babia, or didn't Sika Cotua, Sabia Kusabia Nyando, some fast obey to me at him. Na Dean of University of Cape Coast, School of Business, Professor John Gache. Jesse, Sabri Nansa Modia Baba to Jana and say, and who be here say Kayade Islamic banking, and so Ababa Kahon, and yet Udusika Kotoa, Ube to me at so emphasoa, a bit Mabua, Ama Abrabono, a bit to me Akosototin, Ediamount, Professor Samoa, what the two Islamic banking only.
The engaged transactions are aligned with Islamic principles. The proceeds from the engagement is shared based on profit and loss sharing agreement. It promotes partnership, it promotes joint venture, it also promotes a fund manner that does not put burden on the state. That is what Islamic banking is all about. They don't have attractive products in the conventional banking system. So when you introduce Islamic banking, that provides alternative for inclusion, that promotes social justice, and that ensures that activities undertaken do not adversely affect the environment, and it tends to partner in delivering on the sustainable development goals.
And yeah, Ushe to media, a mintini, and your Chocho Uro, Ogwama Hene, or Sabe Marcos Yata, or Tosumieno, Professor Jena, no Pokwaji, my running métier, Emma Abadadana Bremswono, John Dramani Mahama, or one say, Omu Etu Francano, Omuna Domani Munyam, Equatel Medinachi. Now, Vice Chancellor Emma UCC, Professor Johnson Yacob Wampon, and also Ebo Professor Basso, they were the Abbey.
Though Professor Gachi was promoted to the professorial rank in 2020, it is today that he would celebrate this important personal milestone with a broad audience, including members of the public, family, friends, colleagues, both old and new. John Gachi is a professor of finance and Dean of the School of Business Studies at the University of Cape Coast. He is a visiting professor of the University of Groningen. He has led the School of Business Studies to become a member of Association to Advance the Collegiate Schools of Business and international accreditation body that gives broader visibility and provides opportunities to students and staff.
Professor Johnson Yakubu Ampon ono ena Vice Chancellor Emma UCC ena wobo Prof Abaso no ne ena yekoti ye no ye na ye hotawu emra sisia
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nasia besi ase ho no se ho techima eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha baabi a womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved. Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
Yamama kwa babiem eba ewia prem tobre kase eso cloud internet internet papa odofo se wo per CCTV cameras de akwa du djuma se de be ya kromfo abromfo eba betimi ache wo no cloud internet na mekamfo na mede amount 0202699110 0202699110 cloud internet na mekamfo na mede amount abe herbal clinic eno your clinic of the moment Dr. Asampa Dr. Asagro the sickle cell doctor and I make come for na media amount fibroid no na was say a man fasikai encount obemo dru na what your trust yet no the amount come pam tan also up trapa ho and abe herbal clinic wo yenko na yenko say ho eyade 0243345392 0243345392 abe herbal clinic and I make come for na media amount no the sciatica expert 21st clinic or for sciatica yipa so sisi fa osirim and ye wona kokomina da said the atwu hwehwem no ano den pa na 21st clinic se men kan cho say anya sciatica yade no ko yade bibire biada efiru trinwa no kosu na ase no ono ene betumi dia bibiduro asade amawo abasobodie pii ena 21st clinic waje laboratory next kan mfidi ahodo pii no ena 21st clinic wo do be famu rofo yenkoto yade ase e 21st clinic 15 branches ena wo Ghana member Kumasi ehwan overseas one Alpha radio no ena ben ho council quarters called junction wo boase dobe market eyenkran sunwane nkranza tachiman ubehu 21st clinic ho 0540311311 0540311311 3 eba center or 3 coco capsules coco master wo dia bedwa so orofo yankonye kotu coco na se coco no se de AC ha adwene no amount mi entena se kra 3 eba center ni nupa wo dia bedwa so 3 coco capsules eno na mekamfo na media amount kolinaka ba dani heba misty heba ni apidank okwa ubenya bi ato 0546107107 0546107107 yanko sunturasu ede ma asem na asi ho yensem tro ni Ebenezer usu ansa egina ho Ebenezer oteme kan me mo ha ejo choponso pani pa bibia bokode deɛ wɔkɔ aten deɛ wɔba aten wo a wogina hɔ no ɛna atentrodo no ekura wɔ so tura so abayalsabea deɛ na asi wɔ hɔ
medase said your wedding kind Eddie Asemo Atugano Sappepe and it's and that day and yet two Eddie who say, yeah, boy, the afa send ye bit me at Tiasum, El Fire Fum, bit me at Tiasum, it's a nano, Suntraso Government Hospital at now, what could you say? We'll move what they run after so much church or Mount Fubimo Mupasa as your Tituni Hospital Horror. Senior Bay poor master whole pine parties and as a patois. Nenete, I'm a pay who's home any public free. And it's me about the people who win but I say, Omuba Betting Church and Apple Snow, or Machi Apomotain Papa, Senior Bay, Sa, or Masumu Yadia, Airport. Me, I see a no crime. There was a Medina Sano and a doctor Penia, one of your specialists, what are friends, Central Government Hospital, Mammy, Ma, Pobici, Konya, or Cassan, or you to that Jim say. So we share a friend say, Ghana Hasina, or more Pubino and pay particular attention, say, we show more Asumuya, your cry. Now, all Cassan, or you to that Jim say. So we share Ghana Hasina, Katana. Woman food binuma woman edudona achia kakranti through woman a woman to amfa and as woman pay attention for more asumu yade no eno na ma binmu so achia what was no di to that say so shagana hasina gasana woman food binmu e wa adwene bi say sema ba kokura si aba ko ho a me de betia 70 e wo say me yi mani free what say anu mani nyina yade say emwa pra no kasa no di to that say so hwe enei woman food binmu seni omusidi takrenu wo masum na afetuturo wo di nyoma bi mu enunu wo masum na eno de di pefe se esida se ekuro na abem na se e friend se yade bi e na abem eno nti wo di tu de se omanfo enya se ne se a wo di ade se so masum na da bia no wo mu so ni na nam no mu pepe ntakra no mu di enunu wo masum wo sini nyina no se wuti se bibi anase sound bi wo wasuma e wo sentempa na Opa hospital now, but said a bay, you bet me up for whole by now. Kokobasa now, you are going to say, would you Takrana said, will be a good man. 1 tree and now, Papa, and how can say, Edia Bro, from and I say, send a bay out with my take Casano. Now, Papa, how can say Edia Bro? What real crap or do to that him? There's okay at me, and more forbidden more or Mamuna, or the other never 2 when him say, Adauruma. Who say Bibisa El Potoa and Tempana to Anamo, Ebra Hospital, said a bear with me, and 2 Asiana, so with me, Aswamo, Ediamo, Ewogan has it. It's way at their airport, and never yet twist was said, yeah, boy, I saw who they will say a bear, a queer first one, you bet some, now for yet me cry so, Emma Yadibia and Kaya Sono. Yeah, and now what you will get twist what over the years said, as Antimotawasi.
Ebenezer yebeda se na for di akire se de beya anwumre yebetumi asanya bibi e de afiri ho yesem so ne Ebenezer usu ansa na sabre se de besi ate asem dwumadi a odi ewo sontroso abaya sabia no ode nani kutwa wisu a ne hwene santemo ekodi akire odi mu amane bo de breen midofo pa menwum na eboi eye kodwantwi na toye se wasode anopa na ho mfa wo so do so mu kakra no a kwadwantwi odo ho nyom onim tupa na wodi wani ekirem ewo popuni mantam kropom enkran a eno asem ato no yie papa adentia ni fie eja to kumu na sabere no aye ne fire service for etwetwen komo no senti eja no ehye ne modebo akwobo ye na wotumi edum gani nyina no ye ne fire service for no etwetwen komo Alex Kinati ono ene panipa wudi wo monim ewo bra omkodum jano.
Just a stance now, yetime put ejano under control. Yankofon bedu na dia na priority for ye ni say e be sure say asori ni efie na e bemben no ye be contain no from fire. Umumu a still electricity power e wa ha. Infie no na say yedumja na say eja na electricity na musa oni shogu so a etime electrocute 100 kran na akwakoku na yankofon so na at the peril of their lives. So muntimi ga so omo afna ECG for aba. Omuntimi ga so omo twen ama ECG for aba so mo dumja no. E bia nso no azimba ko e kan say your cars no ache your appliances ache into new appliances. Cars ya unu edi 15 years. I can go 20 years. Into we do sana ebu onu mo na pump no ni other new man account. Ebu onu na atochima. Into the bia me ka say wager ni kaso ase unu omo kas ase. Into na ja to ha say no. Ni papa mu anka ise anyafo. E na baba no so mo ko fire. Oh wager. Into na ise abele nkefo. E na fi abele nketon eba. So into the best say as a just share omunya abotre say first service for yenye magicians e bedu a enyoma bebre ni ehwe unipa no say oni akuntokwa now doing so nya say first service ni into go fan nsuo aba begudu meja no so a ubegu electricity so ubeku hu.
Assistant Divisional Officer Grade 1 Fire Service here Alex Kenati na yekotie no na wona wote ho na sabre neja no hye no wo ho omoso ekasa kakra
na yenim say bia obi na ehade ofio what I say the all of us said they say guys no pia but almost see general then at all fire for no from several times some almost 4 hours no my why some bedru you understand that man what this was said then asa unless some ko copy bit there then be good na mpese mbisa o what I say you tax e wo man what I say into why say from no momra omu delay sir gadgets and equipment no mu ni omu de be ba na asensen
then see I be PSC na you for ni say na eja na no ya den dodo into na we say your friend ACD for this omu fa into me na me twi me phone na me free police phone then I give them pressure to call the ECD
because the intia me boy for ni say o matna office obey 6 months ni omonya hwe da me nkwa na mo bo ho enti ene no nso a mo bedum ja no nso mo ban no nso a mo pump na e wo say mo di petrol gum no nso mo ban nso a petrol nim enti e de be pa na mo be and moreover no mitimi se paying for edu ba bi o mo nti brofo to the sense okwa akwasi broni krom a ye from firefighters baye de no ye from fire service enti fire service no chese o mo service ja o mo na meja no simo e wo say di ni kura wo say asese film ni ye from firefighters fire service no a wrong name mempenesa
fire service no de nyango po wrong name abrante de no hu so mo to dame eno so ya asemo fire service for mo asemo nyomtini kwadwantwi na sabre ne ho akere no efia wotimu eja ahye no asemo asem papa Tabita Clinic sabre sofu alignment ho no wo yenko na prostate no diabetes no kidney no se ho akande a Tabita Clinic eno betumi abo sa akwa ne so orofo sofu alignment eno wo ifiada no wuku da bia no free screening wo ye de magana ni kumasi adehye eno nti yenko Tabita way na ye yade bia yemfa enko dan no 0202 347 647 0202 347 647 Tabita Clinic. Mizo drink no ebi wo dwa so Ketros Marketing Agency wono ena di Mizo ene 5G meza abadwa so orofo yenko tobi na yemfa hye frigi mfa ensom yahoho ye yiyo abedintuo no de a Mizo ene 5G meza galamsefo no kura kire se Mizo no ene 5G meza no onuma ohutimi den pa manager Daniel ewo ehwa overseas 21st kene kubenya biato Bikan supermarket abawa sister sewa anomanye ubenya bi na wato orofo mama Esther ewo Outcome Royal Ventures Baptist University yenko Mizo ene 5G ni bi na Sachi Enterprise ewo asafo abinchi one VIP car park no ena edi ehwe nimu kwaku achiri company limited ewo Puemantamu East Region KF Kunju Enterprise ewo so amoni ndum hotel no ena edi ehwe nimu pamangwa brusa nim eho ena akwa ubenya Mizo ene 5G miza no bi ato na de akodu djuma samufo eye onemunyamfo asante yeboa Benedict ono ena dawroma ena osem krogen bitimi ekenkan edema kuku America jando kuku ono ena uchichi fidie no ya Gracie ono so na dawroma ena mewo TV no so na news crew ni nyina eboai eye o mafamu de Buzi the caption man ono ene mfonyini nyina utwitwa ne de bremo kama aduane de ope Buzi ope aduane kama pa mi a menye bre na metra se ekenkan ede mamu ya fremo fusu aboaje 19 fusu emamu nyina mu enetia ade na ya so de akoi na eye sompa nkomo eye bola
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken.